On your driving test in Bradford, Thornbury, you will be following the sign for Pudsey. You will get that instruction from here, and that instruction means you will follow the road ahead. You will either get the instructions by sat-nav or verbally. So they will either tell you by speaking to you, or the sat-nav will tell you in 300 yards you will be turning right. What you need to do is move into lane 1, the lane that we're in now. You need to follow this road. You need to observe the bus lane, which we cannot use, and remain in this lane. You need to make regular right mirror checks to make sure nobody is coming into your lane, and they will do. They will try sliding in. We can see the sign on the left telling us Pudsey is a right turn, but you can only make the right turn from the lane on the left. So once the bus lane finishes, we will move into the lane on the left. We will do that from here, mirrors, signal, and we've looked into our blind spot and we're coming in. We will now cancel the signal. So we are going to remain in this lane. We are going to turn left, but then immediate right. We are going to try to go into the lane with the least amount of traffic. So as we're coming into our lane, as we're in our lane, we are going to keep left, but immediately move to the right where that silver van, I believe, where the BMW is going. So we're going to keep in the left lane and follow that black car. We are not going to obstruct the junction. We are going to wait here. So we are going to let this black BMW come out into the lane. And this is where most people fail their driving test on this route. As we stay in this lane, we are going to go to the right where that grey car is in that corner. So the sign for Pudsey, we can see it from here. We're going to follow that sign. So we're going to go around. It's like a glorified right turn. So we're going to stay in this lane and go ahead, which means we are going to follow the road round. So we follow the road round, we go around, we follow this Jeep, we signal left if we want to, and here you have a merge in turn. So look in your right door mirror for anyone coming into your lane, look again. And that would be your right turn following the sign for Pudsey at Thornbury Test Centre for you today. Right guys, so if you like it, sorry guys, it's early morning. If you like it, follow us. Understand that we're on YouTube, all your test route videos are there. So if you like it, follow us. If you don't like it, tell us why. Thank you. Don't forget to like and follow. Thank you. Bye-bye.